Good evening, Samoa. Here's your TV2 News for tonight. Leading our bulletin, Malua Theological College has celebrated a milestone in its history today when they have officially signed an agreement with one of the most prestigious universities in the world, the University of Otago in Aotearoa. Your TV2 News was there to witness this special occasion. A Memorandum of Understanding agreement between Malua Theological College and the University of Otago in New Zealand has officially signed today. It's a milestone in the history of Malua since the college established in 1844. Cheerful emotions were seen today while the principal, lecturers, students together with the chairman and the secretary of Malua Theological College board and the delegation from Otago University witnessed the other level of education when this Memorandum of Understanding opened a wide door for Malua students to explore more on academic studies. This occasion was led by Malua Theological College Principal, Reverend Dr. Vaitusi Nofo'inga, in a prayer to give thanks to the Lord for His grace and His kindness.
Thank you for your protection and guidance of the University of Otago's education. They traveled from New Zealand to the Pacific, and they are now here with us today. Thank you for bringing them safely onto our lands. Thank you for protecting the elders of our church, protecting our community, our children, and our families. We are thankful, Lord, for this opportunity when we all come together to share your love in and through our resources and help for each other. All for the extension of the gospel of your love for the world in and through the many gifts you bestowed upon us. We thank you for your Holy Spirit, helping and comforting us, bringing peace to our hearts and souls in times of sorrow, confusion, and uncertainties. We are most thankful, Lord, for this.
The signing today allows Malua Theological College and the University of Otago, Dunedin, New Zealand, to establish collaborative relations between the two institutions to promote friendship and to cooperate in a mutually beneficial association. The two institutions shall continue to explore and encourage cooperation, promote the exchanging of information and materials that are of mutual interest, exchanging between the two institutions, academic and administrative staffs, students, other staff mutually agreed upon, provision of briefing services by each institution for visitors from the other institution, and other forms of cooperation which the two institutions may jointly arrange. There are 3 theological students of Malua that are currently studying in Otago University, and this signing will strengthen the relationship of 2 institutions. Reverend Elder Asutasi Ngotime, the chairman of Malua Board, also the chairman of the Elders Committee, and Reverend Elder Leaso Tupai, the secretary of Malua Board, also the secretary of the Elders Committee, witnessed the signing of Memorandum of Understanding on behalf of the Congregational Christian Church of Samoa, The principal of Malua, Reverend Dr. Vaitusino Fuainga, expressed his sincere thanks on behalf of Malua Theological College, the church elder and the CCCS for this great opportunity for students to explore more academic studies in Otago University. For your TV2 News. The Chief Justice, His Honour Satiusi Matiba Perese, has been administered the oath of the office for the reappointment of the Head of State, Afionga Tuimaleli Ifano Swalawi Valeto II, this morning. He has won this report from Taputailo Kitiona.
Samoa Head of State His Highness Tuimaleli Ifano Valeto Swalawi II was sworn in by Cabinet Justice His Honour Satiusi Matiba Perese for a second term consisting of 5 years. The swearing ceremony was held this morning and was well attended by government officials, chiefs and members of the private sector, Prime Minister and Cabinet and members of Parliament. The opening ceremony was led by Deacon Louis Anthony Matai'a Europa for a spiritual word for today's event. The Head of State said he's accepted his second term, and while the first term was somewhat challenging considering the events that took place in the last 5 years, his faith in Christ has paved the way and lessened the burden, which coincides with the theme of Samoa's 60th independence anniversary, Sail with Faith. He also made mention of the recently concluded Ato Samoa executive talks between Samoa and American Samoa and commended the government leaders for this initiative for the betterment of both countries. Tuimaleli Ifano was reappointed to a second term in office in August this year by the Legislative Assembly. He thanks the Prime Minister and the Cabinet, also the Parliament, for choosing him to continue his position as the Head of State of Samoa for the next 5 years. Tamtele Kitiona for your TV2 News.
Beautiful is back in Samoa as we welcome on our Apia port this morning Samoa's first cruise ship visit since borders closed in 2019. He has won this report. It was an exciting morning in our country to welcome back their first cruise ship since this scenery was last seen in 2019. The COVID-19 pandemic affected all aspects of Samoa's economy, and as we slowly recover, having maiden call Miss Westerdam on our shores sparks excitement and joyful to our community. The Westerdam makes her maiden call to Apia, arriving from Kona, Hawaii. Her next port of call will be Suva, Fiji. Westerdam brings 1,350 passengers and over 35 different nationalities on board. In an interview with Captain Walter, he stated, Westerdam is on a Trans-Pacific cruise which started in Seattle on 2nd October. It's carrying 1,350 passengers and 780 crew members. Its current cruise is expected to end in Sydney on 8th November. It was also a joyful morning to small business owners who were there to sell their handicrafts to the tourists. He stated that he has been waiting for this morning for so long. All thanks goes to our Heavenly Father for providing this opportunity for us business owners. He also thanked the government, as for this visit will be the first cruise ship port calls following the reopening of borders on the 1st August and the lifting of COVID-19 entry requirements on the 22nd September. To celebrate the occasion, a special welcome featuring traditional entertainment has been organized by the Samoa Tourism Authority in collaboration with the Samoa Port Authority and Bethune Brothers Enterprises. Leofana Naisekone for your TV2 News. Let's have a look at some of the ongoing programs by Samoa Victim Support Group. The Congregational Christian Church Samoa's youth group from Falevao are the recipients of sporting equipment and tools after its official presentation by the Samoa Victim Support Group through its ongoing government-funded project, Elisa Watamali'i. These developments are intended towards building and promoting unity as well as safeguarding of women's rights from violence, with mainly youths taking the lead. Reverend Tafa'i Ngalumalimana spoke on how the gospel will be reflected through our actions. For this reason, we need to be mindful and respectful on how we present ourselves among others. His talk underlined the theme regarding this initiative for youth sustains free life. This project by Samoa Victim Support Group has helped our community in different areas, not only the developing of villages in providing working materials for the running of different projects, but also helping the youth through awareness programs made to promote their talents through sports by providing sports gears, and importantly, that's where the youth learn how to stand up to be leaders and looking at how to protect the rights of women and girls within our community. Nefana Naisekone for your TV2 News. And that is the conclusion of your TV2 News for tonight. We'd like to acknowledge